This is welcome signboard for Jane that I made in the office in the ancient airport. She's coming from SPL 612 from Singapore. Now it's Hawaii. Waiting for you.
혹시 인사동.
In Bangkok also have.
Ah, really? Oh, that's why you booked this hotel.
No, I don't see the review.
Ah. Under Marriott, Moxie. Wow, this is the. I won't take your face.
Okay.
Because she's not ready yet. Okay, this is the Moxie Insadong in Seoul that she booked. Oh, this is the shower room lah. Wow! Bakwa. This is gifts. Wow, hippo. Thank you. Wow.
All your sauce here. This is like give it to you, but a bit
I
heavy.
didn't prepare too much
No, that's
like
okay.
you. Oh my god, I'm excited already.
Okay, let me shake one by one. Gapao sauce.
Gapao sauce. So I just put this one again
Yeah,
and
that's
stuff.
what I need, that's all.
Oh, I love it. Som tam Thai. My favorite. I really miss this one, garlic sauce, Singapore one.
I'm not sorry, but I forgot to check the expiry date.
It's okay.
You can just eat the
Yeah. You know, I eat after expired one also.
Oh, this
Suki one.
Yeah, Suki sauce. Yeah, you know what? This is okay. This is
Oh my god.
Suki sauce.
Oh my god. What I'm waiting for this.
Yeah, this is it. But this brand, you know, is nice. About
But I guess this brand should be nice.
Yeah, this is very old school.
Very old school. Thank you, Jay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Kopkunka. This one she got from Vivo shopping mall in Singapore. They got all Singapore things inside. Okay, 배고파요. 빨리 가요.
Kapan.
Kapan is meaning. Let's go.
집에 가자.
집에 가자. 오. You're good at Korean.
카드를 끝까지 밀어넣어 주시고 승인 완료.
First time trying 소금빵 in Korea. Do you like bread? Is it nice?
Very good.
It's 이거 How do you eat? 너무 맛있다. 맛있다.
Need Americano. Ice Americano.
맛있다. Wow, so everywhere is food. Wow, this is the cafe that Jay recommended. Today, I didn't eat anything. No. But then, very nice. Just not the salt bread, also nice. This one also nice. 금돼지식당 웨이팅을 기다리는 저희들. 미셸이는 몇 년째 모르고 있답니다. She's very excited to take a video with a new Osmo camera. 이렇게 태국 언니가 맛있다고 소문이 나서, 아니 태국 언니가 맛있다고 소문이 난 게 아니지.
언니가 맛있는 집이라고 찾아봐가지고 여기 본삼겹 2인분이랑 흑돼지 김치찜이랑 여기에 시그니처 바질쌈을 시켰습니다. 구워주신다네요. 자. It's a little bit sour. Don't you feel tom yum goong? It's similar. Why? Be careful, be careful. May I put here? 이거는 시그니처 바질쌈. 고기랑 쌈장이랑 구운 바지를 같이 이렇게 먹는 거랍니다. 아, let's cheers.
입에 화났어.
오케이. 짠.
Do you see the water from the mushroom?
솔트.
아, 감사합니다.
많이 뜨거워요. 팥.
Hot. It's very hot. Be careful.
When you buy the water very very hot, 100 degrees. So hot. It's nice, right? You don't like the sesame seed, right? Okay, I can take. Oh, let's cheers.
Yeah.
But normally we don't do. Since we cannot drink the alcohol. Oh, this is a sesame leaf that you just tried it just now. Never eat. How do you feel? So normal taste will be aside from the seasoning. Boloy. Tasting the spicy boloy. She said it's a boloy. Cheers. Now try the 햄스페셜토스트 with scrambled egg. How do you feel the Isaac?
Cabbage very good.
Right. With the vegetable.
Yeah.
Wow.